welcome to my channel. As have been discussed, clippers of unbiased series and unbiased shunt in my previous videos. Please go through the videos and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And today's we are going to discuss about biased shunt positive clippers and biased shunt negative clippers. So in the shunt connection, in the parallel connection, we are giving some biased voltage. So that biased voltage is here. I am applying like some reference voltage, that is VR. So here this VR is the reference voltage which is shunt with the input and output voltages. Now whenever during a positive half cycles means I have been applied a positive voltage here, so automatically this positive voltage is will be very greater than the means we if when my positive voltage, that is input voltage, is greater than the VR reference voltage. So what happens, this positive makes this diode to be conducted, nothing but the diode will act like a forward bias. So at this time when the diode is acting like a forward bias, it is in a short circuit. So when it is short circuit, therefore we can say that whatever the voltage coming from the output will be only the reference voltage, because this input voltage whatever it will be there, it will be circulated, it will come along this way and it will be grounded. So the voltage which is very near to the output voltage will be the VR. That's why VR is equal to plus V. Sorry, V naught is equal to plus VR. And similarly, when I have applied a negative off cycle negative voltage, then Vn will be less than VR. Nothing but due to this negative voltage, this will be very less than compared to the reference voltage. So at that time what happens, the diode becomes the reverse bias. So whenever the diode becomes reverse bias, it will be act like an open circuit. So when it is open circuit, automatically this will be open. So directly V in will comes to the V out, that is V out is equal to V in. So if you observe, this is an input cycle that is consist of positive and negative. So in the positive time, the signal is going to be, means only some reference signal is coming out and remaining will be clipped off. Okay, but in the compared to the when we are giving negative half cycle, it will be whatever the input you have given, that will be deployed here. This is about the short explanation about the biased shunt positive clippers. This is now a biased shunt negative clipper. So in this biased negative shunt clipper, so the negative reference voltage VR is given, so that is going to be applied this diode. Now as usually here in the biased or unbiased, or it may be a series or negative, so you are going to give a full cycle, that is consist of positive and the negative waveform. So whenever I give some positive waveform here, so this positive waveforms will be applied to the circuit. So here if I consider that this voltage is value greater than this reference voltage, then what happens, whatever the voltage applied here, this voltage makes this diode in a reverse bias. It makes the diode to conduct in a reverse bias, as this voltage is very high which is applied to the negative terminal and this is the positive terminal. So the diode becomes a reverse bias. So when the diode is in reverse bias, automatically it will be an open circuit. Whenever it is an open circuit, will be nothing exist here, the connection. So directly the V out and V in will be equal. That is V out is equal to V in. But during the negative half cycle, this is less than the VR, but whatever the negative voltage makes this diode to be conducted in the forward bias. Why? Because negative to negative makes the diode in a forward conduction. So when the diode is in forward connection, it will be act like in a short circuit. So whenever it is short circuit, so what happens, whatever the input voltage it may be, whatever you have applied, that will be coming to this part grounded here. So only the VR is left over for the output. That's why V naught is equal to minus VR. Why minus VR? Means it's a negative voltage. So when it comes to the waveform, so this is the input waveform. So as easily whatever applied the positive voltage, that will be coming because of V out is equal to V in. But whereas the negative part will be clipped with some reference. So only some part will be deployed and remaining part will be clipped off. This is a complete explanation about the biased shunt positive and negative clippers. Thank you.